as the swarm turns. The hive that's in the middle of the coffin hive, there's 5 total hives there, just swarmed. As you can see, they're interested in me and my swarm catching technique, which is, if they've just hit the air, this is the easiest way. I mean, the easiest way to catch them. But they have to be in the air. You can't shake them out of a tree and then expect them to come to you. Got my queen cage in my pocket. As soon as she lights, I'll put the phone down, cage her. Then it's all over but the money. For those that want to know, in that corner is a little squirt of Swarm Commander. Alright, we're getting closer and closer. This will be a virgin queen, because I split that hive and left some queen cells. And they always say they cluster on the queen. They're clustering on this frame. Queen's not here. Queen is not here. But as you can see, they're getting tighter and tighter on me. I'm going to back up a little bit further from the grapevines, distinguish me from them. See how they're fanning? They're telling Mama to come here. Telling everybody else to come here. It won't be long. Alright, so we've got a couple hundred bees on the frame so far. No queen. I hate to tell you, but this is getting tiresome on my arm, because I've been holding it for 2 minutes before I even started the video. At least 2 minutes. If you guys see her, yell out. We're going to pause it for a little bit till queen hits. Alright guys, I saw her. Got a full frame of bees front and back and hanging out the side, but I saw her, and before I could turn the camera on, she disappeared under that clump of bees. So I know she's on the frame. Yet again, if you see her, yell out, because I don't see her. But I'm going to play the Pied Piper. Just going to slowly walk over here to the hive I've got ready for them. Everybody will follow me because everybody's fanning. Oh well, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy. If you like, subscribe, share. Have a good one.